What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and hopefully trying out this engine stand that I bought on Amazon.com. The brand is Jegs, which is pretty reputable. I could have bought it from their website, but it was a little bit cheaper on Amazon. I think it ran about $69. But anyway, let's get to it. Feels pretty heavy. Packaging is alright. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not like it's a sensitive product or anything. There you can see there's the
There's the label right there. It's a Jegs engine stand, 4-leg, and part number is 80040, made in China.
Oh, okay, so this is actually packaged really well. Everything's nice and organized and laid out. So that's pretty sweet. I'll get in a little closer actually. So here we are. Here's your little manual. It says it can hold up to 1,000 pounds. The welds on it look pretty shitty actually. They're pretty spotty, but they're still solid. It looks like someone just MIG welded it and then spray painted it without cleaning it up at all. Comes with 4 wheels. Feel like a hard plastic. This looks like the plate that the 4 arms bolt up to, that bolt up to your engine. Got a couple more pieces. Alright, so there you have it. That's everything in the box. So it looks like this came with a pretty decent instruction manual, so putting this thing together shouldn't be too tricky. Just set the camera up and we'll do a time lapse or something. Alright YouTube, so we got the stand put together. Right now I just have all the bolts hand tightened, but it already feels nice and firm, nice and sturdy. And I like the fact that it has the pin where I could rotate the engine 360 degrees and just pin it however I want to lock it into place. It's also nice that it includes the handle. Although the motor's not that heavy, it's just nice to get it turned over. And yeah, hopefully later on today I'll be able to test it out. Alright, so luckily I was able to test out the stand today for you guys. And I was actually able to use the stand to help me pull the motor out of the back of my vehicle here, which was kind of sweet. And now that I got it mounted up, the stand feels nice and sturdy. I have no problem with it. Full confidence that I'll be able to rotate the motor all the way around, which is going to make it so much easier to pull this motor apart and rebuild it. Motor doesn't need a rebuild, just trying to upgrade all the internals on this motor, but that's for a further project. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so there you have it. Overall, I think for the price, you can't go wrong with this thing. It only cost me $69, and it's going to save me a lot of time. It's going to make my life a whole lot easier. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier. You don't have to worry about bias in this video or anything. We're not sponsored, so we're not popular enough for that yet. Yeah, anyway, don't forget to drop a like, share it, leave some comments what you think. We like to hear your feedback, and we're going to be dropping videos every Friday, so stay tuned.